Dyanne, can you give us a ballpark estimate of what it costs for a business to use a certified exit planner to kind of guide them through the process?
Yeah, absolutely. Because like any advisor that the business owner employs, yes, there's a cost associated to professional guidance and expertise. And I love it when I get this question because it brings me back, if you will, for a moment, to a book that I read from a colleague. His name is Chris Mercer of Mercer Capital. It's a valuation firm located in Cleveland, Ohio. And the book was the 1% Solution. And what I gleaned and remembered from it was this. Owners often will think or perhaps perceive that exit planning, besides being too time consuming, is probably just too expensive to even step my toe into. And you know what, if it's not a high priority, it's not an urgent matter, why should I really even A, look at it, or B, incur this expense that I anticipated? Well, this 1% Solution says that part of the solution for paying for exit planning or readiness services is that the solution lies in the decision that an owner has to treat their ownership interest just like any other investment on their balance sheet. In other words, if you think about it, most of us, we have investment. Maybe it's in a qualified retirement, maybe it's in a non-qualified. And most of us, once the balance gets to a decent amount, will hire a professional money manager to manage those dollars, right? And that can be anything from, 1%, 1.5% on up. But owners need to consider their interest in their business as a pre-liquid asset. And just like they would pay for professional management of liquid asset, their business deserves to have the same amount of preparation and management as their non-business assets. So when we talk about, non-business assets, there's assets under management fee. Well, exit planning can involve value enhancement. It can involve periodic valuations. To get ready would require audited financial statements, legal reviews of the business, having buy-sell agreements established, funding the buy-sell, paying for someone like myself that will bring them through a 7-step process. Getting ready activities is something that an owner should be prepared. If they took the value of their business and played and compared that to 1%, if they're not spending 1% of the value of their business on readiness or professional guidance, they're doing that asset a disservice.